This is becoming very addictive. Is open source radio kits you can buy from China. That's the usdx, I think, version 2 or plus, full HF. That's the 50 watt linear amplifier, which is RF sensing. No need for like a key lead or anything. I've had a few QSOs on this tonight. Good reports. Um, Now I've tuned me in fade half with 40, 20, 17, 15, 12 and 10. I can use this without worry because the amp doesn't have any protection on, and anything about like 2 to 2 is a bit dangerous for it. But I've had it a bit. So it actually is only 3 like transistors, and they're quite easy to replace. The circuit's quite simple actually. I think it was 45 quid off Valley. The USDX Plus was, I think, about 100 quid. That's got a built-in battery, and you can get them multi-band what do you call them, like antennas that go in the back of the BNC, forgetting the name, MXP40s, stuff like that, Rangers. But with this passing way being assessed and allowed to drive again, I'll only be using these for like if I have to do some footwork from the car to the reference points. Even soda, might give that a go this year. But great little thing. I'm loving this part of the hobby. I'm into this like, and if the blower are not expensive to replace. Next thing I'm gonna get is the ATU 100 little line up there, which will be totally about 160 quid for an HF 50 watt, obviously tunable little kit. Fits in the bag, and it needs, in total, I've worked out, it needs about 5 amps at 12 to 13 volts, which is easy to supply. That's I've got a 3 and a 3 and a 2, I think. Yeah, that's 5. But that's just the power of the radio. Amplifier is on that aircraft battery there. Yeah, but I've had some good QSOs there, so can't wait till the weather gets a bit better and get all this out in the fresh air. Lots planned this year. Snow keeps coming. It's March now and snow keeps coming, so that's getting a bit annoying. But lovely kit. It's a TDX10 there. It's the new setup. I'm still wire management like, but I'm getting there. Right, cheers.